My name is Deborah Rohr, and the bar is Revolutions Bar and Grill. The bar got its name from records. My husband has been collecting records for almost 30 years, and revolutions per minute, RPMs on the record, is how we got it. And we wanted to always have a bar that was changing. Our clientele ranges in age from like the hipsters 20-year-old, 22, 25s to kind of the middle-aged, my age. The most important thing to me with respect to the ice machine would be the reliability, to make sure that it was continuing to produce ice as I needed it. With having the Koolaire ice machine, I've noticed I don't go through as much water. Choosing Koolaire over another brand, it's built by Manitowoc Ice, which is a great company. It's just a more affordable version. You don't need all the hoots and whistles. It's fantastic. The average ice we'd use on a really busy night would be about 200 pounds. Typical would be about 60 pounds. The three benefits that the Koolaire offers would be cost-effective, reliable, quiet. The Koolaire ice machine does represent a very good value. Thank you, Manitowoc Ice.